Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am going to be making Fruity Pebble Rice Krispie treats with the kids today. So I'm gonna let my daughter take over.
Hi, my name is Molly and here's the ingredients. First we need Fruity Pebbles, salt, marshmallow fluff, marshmallows, stick of butter, sweetened milk, and vanilla extract. Let's get started. So my name's Carmelo, and we're gonna be putting the butter in the pot.
How many tablespoons?
3.
Okay. So we're gonna let this melt. So here, I'm gonna let that melt in here. All right, and then while that's melting, we are going to add
milk.
Wait, no. Yep, sweetened condensed milk. Let's add it in. Add it in. So we're gonna pour the entire half of a cup, and we're gonna melt the butter. So that's that melt. Yep, just keep stirring. I'll hold. All right, and then we are going to add the entire package of mini marshmallows.
Go?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. And now we're going to give that a stir. Be careful because it's hot. So we're just going to mix that.
I got it on my hand.
Continue to stir it in. All right.
Marshmallow.
Yep, just hold the gold handle. It's getting hot.
I love marshmallows. That's my favorite to eat for snack.
All right, so once we have these marshmallows all melted, we'll be back.
Hi, my name is Mimi, and now we have the marshmallows halfway done. We're gonna add some salt, a little bit of vanilla extract, and we're gonna stir it. Now we're gonna add the marshmallow fluff.
All right, and let me help. I'm gonna help her with the marshmallow fluff. All right. All right, and then you can just stir that in there too. Now you can turn your heat off too. So in this stage, since it's already hot, you can go ahead and turn the stove off. And continue to stir.
Make sure there's no lumps in it.
All right, and now that this is almost done, she is going to start adding the cereal in. All right. And we're gonna add the whole bag of cereal. So, and we're just going to mix.
This is my favorite part about spring break.
All right. So now that we have it pretty much all combined, we are going to get our pan, and we'll be right back.
It's morning again, and I'm going to be putting the Rice Krispie treats inside of there.
Okay, so let me help you because the pot is hot. So grab a spoon, and I'm going to start helping you pour it in. Pour it all in. It smells so good.
I know.
All right, make sure you have them all out. Do you have all of it out?
Oh no.
All right. All right. So now that we have all of it out, you can take the spoon and start to press it in.
Okay.
So let's try to press it down in. I'll hold it. Alright, so then I'll just take, we can get a clean fork or spoon and just get the excess off of the spoon. And then we're gonna let these cool for about 25 to 30 minutes and we'll be back with the finished product.
Bye, guys.
All right, guys, this is the finished product. I just cut them up, set them on a plate. So you can go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and possibly share with your friends and family and let them know what we're over here doing on Real Life of Iridia, all the recipes we have. We would love to have them join our family. So again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.